Hi and welcome to Backyard Growing SA. In today's video is going to be the first garden tour of autumn. Let's get to it. So over here I got is the garlic chives growing, wild garlic. Then in the rest of the spots I have nothing yet because the stuff I planted in March, most of them is gonna go in here. I'm just waiting until they're ready to transplant into those buckets. Over here is another turnip, but this is from the budgies food. So yeah, it's not gonna give anything but just more seeds. Then nothing in there yet. And then next to that we got the Swiss chard, more Swiss chard, and a chili tree in here. I'm not sure what chili tree it is. Next to that, some more Swiss chard and another chili tree in here. Next to that we have the cucumber. I know the leaves is nothing going on at the bottom, but it's all up here. And also here is a cucumber still busy growing on this one. Next to that we got some radish. This is the white icicles growing over here. And next to that is some more cucumbers. So I have 3 in there. This one look like it's coming back again now nicely with the leaves. There is 1 cucumber on there. Next to that more cucumber, and there is a bigger one on here, but this one's gonna have to come off today still because as you can see it's turning yellow, so it's gonna actually produce seeds. So I don't want it to be doing that, so I'm gonna have to harvest that. And then next to that, this one is doing the best of them all, and it's giving new cucumbers also and new leaves. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this one. I might take this one off because it does look like the weaker of the 3, but we will see this week how it goes before I do that. And down here we have is chives growing, and every time I just harvest and then the next week they just come back. Like look here, I harvest last week of this, so again growing back. And in here is the turnips, and this over here is dania. I'm just gonna leave this to give me some more seeds. And then over here is again another turnip what is going to seed. This is also from the budgie seeds, and then this is also budgie seeds over here what I just threw in here, and they also gonna give me seeds for the budgies. And here in front of where the cucumbers are, there's also another tree growing. This could either be a lemon tree or lime or even apple. I'm not really sure what I threw in here. Sometimes we just eat fruit and I just drop the seeds in the stuff when it's empty. Okay, so it's on to where the chilies are now. So the 3 there at the back is called Star. So it's a 6604, 6603 and 6602, but I'm not sure which one is which there because I got the names mixed up a long time ago. So but I know they all called Star. Yeah, and there is chilies on, which I'm gonna harvest later on. Then over here in front is a bell pepper. This is a California bell pepper. There is 1 on here now. Next to that we got these the jalapenos, which is a few growing now on it, as you can see here. So yeah, and then next to that got the Carolina Reaper, and there is a few chilies on here. Just need to harvest them. Not gonna eat any of them, probably gonna give it away to friends and family because it's still too strong to taste them. I think I should actually taste one, but not anytime soon. Next to that we got this the pomegranate tree, and of course it's autumn, so the leaves are gonna start falling off from them now, and then in spring it will come back. And next to that we got is the rosemary bush. And then next to the rosemary bush we got is the lemon tree. In April it will be 2 years that I have this one, and then next year April they should be able to give me fruit, and then I will just let it grow and give the fruit, because I say about 2 to 3 years you have to give them time before they produce fruit. And then behind the lemons I got some more wild garlic in here. I just need to put them in water and they'll be fine again, and I just need to replant them. And yeah, this also went to seed. I thought this was a turnip until I look at the stalk over here. So I can see this is also a radish, the white icicle. So yeah, I must still harvest all the seeds. And then in front of that down here is another turnip what went to seed. And in here is the red onions. Got one there growing. This ones must still come out because they are dead. So yeah, I'm gonna take that out later. Then next to that I got okra. There's one on this tree, and then there's one somewhere over here. So yeah, there's it. The things I want to focus. Then over here we got some more red onions growing in here. And then behind there we got the Swiss jaw, some more Swiss jaw and red onions there in. And they are underneath here some more red onions smaller. And this is the garlic what I planted in the previous video. So yeah, it took 7 days to come out, and now it's about 14 days later, and this is how they're looking. And we kicked the ball and then it broke this leaf like this. That's why it looked like that. So it's not any diseases or anything. And next to that we have some mint growing. And then in front of the mint we have some brinjals growing here, eggplants. Got 2 of them. This one have some vegetables on it still. There's just the one on there so long, and then the other 3 over here. There's a new one coming out there. Then next to that we got the sweet melon growing on here. And there is a couple of flowers growing now as you can see, but there's no fruit yet on. And then we got some herbs in here. This is oregano. And in front of that, this is basil. This is supposed to be a purple basil. I don't know why it came out green, because when it is giving the seeds, it is coming out as a purple pods. As you can see, there's purple pods because the ones that I grew with, this was all purple ones, but for some reason there's probably a defect. And then behind that is another herb. I'm not sure the name of this one, but it is giving flowers off already. And then behind the herbs we got here is 2 bloody butcher corn, and as you can see, they do not look so nice. They dried out. And if you stay in the Western Cape, in Cape Town, you know how hot it was this week. It was extremely hot, but inshallah they will come back. Maybe, hopefully they grow better. But as you can see, the rest of the plants didn't do as bad as the corn. Maybe as a curse of the children of the corn, who knows. And down from there we got is the thyme. So I'd like to say thank you for watching. If you help the channel out, you can leave a like on this video. You can share the video, comment down below. If you have anything you want to ask, you can ask down below and I'll try my best to help you out. And also you can help with super things or becoming a member. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.